Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We are discussing the cost of attendance today, and it is day 15. If you are just joining us in this series, please check out the description below this video, and you'll find the links to the previous episodes. Catch up with us and let's get going. So, cost of attendance includes the total estimated expenses for a student to attend a college for 1 year. So, each college has their own cost of attendance. It can include tuition and fees, room and board, books and supplies, transportation costs, and personal expenses, and it may show up as miscellaneous as a line item. If you're looking at an award letter from a college and you don't see all of those listed costs itemized there, go back to your financial aid office and ask for them to amend it so that all of the associated expenses with cost of attendance are reflected in that award letter. On a college's website, if you're doing your college research, you should also see all of these categories listed under cost of attendance. But certainly if you don't, as you get deeper into your research, reach out to the financial aid office to make sure all costs are captured. It's so important to consider these following items. Cost of attendance is an estimate, and it may vary from student to student. It's used to determine financial aid eligibility. Cost of attendance can be used whether a student is living on campus or off campus. For example, the cost of a room and board on campus might be slightly different from cost of room and board if a student is living off campus, but either living situation should be calculated for the cost of attendance number. Cost of attendance is used to determine eligibility for federal student loans and Parent Plus loans. And so one of the reasons that cost of attendance might vary from student to student is, let's say you have a student who's an engineering student versus a student who is a history major. Well, their books will have different costs, most likely, and the engineering student will have additional lab costs that the history student probably won't have. And so make sure that as an individual student, as you start to dial into your admissions and application process with the school, make sure you have the cost of attendance that reflects your major and your specific fees that you would be required to pay as a student. And so remember why cost of attendance is so important on the FAFSA. We covered this formula in session number 2. Cost of attendance minus SAI, Student Aid Index, equals need. This need is what the colleges will use to determine how much financial aid they will award the student. So make sure to capture all of those cost of attendance costs, and we'll see you tomorrow. Please remember to like and share, invite others to count down to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. Until next time, bye.